Having a runny nose can be very irritating, especially since it involves a nose that keeps on dripping like a leaky faucet. It can be caused by colds during the cold and rainy season and is often accompanied by a sore throat and fever. But there are also some people who experience this as an isolated condition because of an allergic reaction. These are the people who suffer the most because if it remains untreated, their allergies can become a part of their lives, and a runny nose can affect them at the most unlikely times and places. If you want to know how to stop runny nose fast, here are some tips that might come in handy. 1. Inhale steam. One popular method for relieving a runny nose is steam inhalation. This can easily be done with the use of a vaporizer, but if you do not have one, a pot of hot water will do. You just need to inhale the steam that is coming out of the hot water by leaning over it and breathing the steam. For best results, you may want to drape a towel over you so as not to let the steam come out in the open. Just be very careful with this method, since the steam can also cause burns on your face, especially if it is coming from boiling water. Make sure that you take a break every now and then and don't get too close, so as not to cause facial burns. You may also add apple cider vinegar, eucalyptus oil, or mustard oil to the water for a more soothing effect. 2. Hydrate yourself. There are so many benefits in drinking lots of water and other fluids, and one of them is stopping a runny nose fast. Hydration helps thin your mucus so that it does not clog your nasal passages. Drinking hot water can help break up nasal congestion by soothing your nasal passages. If hot water does not appeal to you, hot tea and soup are great alternatives. Stay away from caffeinated drinks as they dehydrate your nasal passages. If your runny nose is coupled with a sore throat, you may drink half a glass of hot water mixed with 1 teaspoon of lime juice and 2 tablespoons of honey. Make sure to drink this twice a day for best results. 3. Eat spicy foods. If you watch cartoons, you might have encountered a character who ate spicy food and had smoke coming out of his nose and ears. That image is somewhat true because spicy foods actually act as natural decongestants. Pepper contains a substance known as capsaicin, which has an effect on the nerve fibers responsible for regulating the thickness of your mucus. Initially, your runny nose will worsen immediately after eating spicy foods because thin mucus is being purged out of your nose. Just blow your nose when this happens. After some time, you will experience relief. 4. Ginger up. Ginger has long been known as an effective home remedy for runny noses. It has both antiviral and antioxidant properties that help clear your nasal passages. You can take ginger in 2 ways. First, you can drink it as a hot ginger tea twice or thrice a day. You can also grate a ginger root and eat it with a pinch of salt. 5. Take medicines. If none of the home remedies work, you can buy over-the-counter antihistamines from your nearest drugstore. These medicines work well for a runny nose caused by allergies. You can either buy the drowsy or non-drowsy type. Knowing how to stop runny nose fast can definitely help you in dealing with that irritating runny nose. Remember, if your runny nose is accompanied by other symptoms, like a sore throat and fever, you should consult your doctor to treat the underlying cause. If your runny nose persists for months, you should also visit your doctor for more lasting treatments.